So you guys might be wondering why I'm using my small blender. My fiance doesn't like this drink. He's corny, so I can't share it with him. So I'm just gonna make it for myself. So right now I'm gonna pour a shot of Hennessy. I'm gonna pour a shot of E&j Apple to give it that apple flavor. Now, a lot of y'all are gonna fight me for this next option, but I feel like in order for it to have that, did I say caramel or caramel? I say caramel, but it might be like where you live at. But I'm gonna add white. Don't fight me, y'all. But trust me. You're still not gonna be upset. But you have to use it. I'm telling you why you have to use this, because it's gonna make it taste really, really good. So I'm using Smirnoff Kiss Caramel. Adding a shot too. And then we're gonna add ice. Okay, so I'm about to add a cup of ice. If you're making a big batch, I would advise for you guys to add like two to 5 cups, depending on how big your blender. So next we're gonna add, you get this from Kroger. It's the Kool-Aid Snapping green apple. It's kind of sour, but it's not too sour. So we're gonna go ahead and make that. Not make that, but you know, pour it in. You can just pour it in based on, you know, the sweetness that you want. I really want to go for this like apple sweetness. Is that even a word, apple sweetness? Or not a word, but is that even a thing? But I just want it to taste like apple. That's what I'm trying to say. Next, I'm gonna add a drop of green food coloring, and I'm adding this food coloring because when you blend it together, it's gonna be like a doodle brown, and I want it to be green because nobody wants to make, well, not make, but drink doodle brown colored stuff. So I'm adding a drop of food coloring, and to give it more of an apple taste, I'm gonna add a splash of apple juice. Okay guys, so next totally optional step is I'm gonna cut one of these apples. Y'all, my knife's ass. But I'm gonna cut one of these apples and put it on one of these, I don't know what to call them. They're like bamboo type of sticks. And I'm just gonna put it on the stick. So right now, I'll just cut it. My knife's a fucking ass. I'm only gonna cut a few though. I'll probably just eat the rest. Just a few to make it look pretty. Okay. So yeah, I just cut up a few. So now I'm about to put it on the stick. Hopefully, I feel like this stick is kind of flimsy, but we'll see. It's holding up for the most part. Okay, so now that we have our apples on the stick, what we're going to do next is we're going to decorate the inside of the cup with this caramel applesauce. So it's going to go around, bring it around town. No, you got any more SpongeBob, better child? And then we're going to pour. Gonna pour it in. Pour it in. Move this apple out the way for Instagram purposes. Pour it in thick. Fill it up to the top. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is you're just gonna layer it like that. Put just some more of this caramel. There you have it, you guys. A Hennessy, caramel, apple. Well, Hennessy, caramel. Well, Hennessy, E&j, and Smirnoff caramel apple drink. If you want to see more drink recipes like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you become a member of my Patreon. Patreon is something that I use to basically post drink recipes. So you can become a member for $5 a month, and every week I'll be doing a random giveaway from my Patreon members. I also do monthly cookie boxes, so I think it's something that you guys need to, go ahead and sign up for. I appreciate all the support you guys give me on my Patreon, my YouTube, and my Instagram. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Sorry about that noise. I'm baking a cake, but thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.